Yo, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new Neglect Media banger. So today, working on a project. We're gonna put a head unit in the 240. This is not the one I ordered, but I happen to have it, so we're gonna use this one for now. It's cheap, but I have no audio. So we're gonna use this head unit, and then I bought some kicker speakers and a conversion to put 6x6 or 4x4 in the front doors. We're gonna work on the head unit for now. I'm gonna get a tripod set up, and we're gonna see if we can't figure this out. So let's get into it. All right, so we're back. Hopefully you guys can see this. First order of business, we're gonna take the factory harness. Actually, this has purple and green, so maybe those wire up to this. Okay, but we're gonna figure this out together. I'm gonna cut all these ends off. This is a wiring mess. So there's a factory harness out of the Silvia. It looks like spaghetti. What we're gonna start by doing is just cutting all these connectors off, because this is not factory. Look at that, fresh, clean connectors. They do the same to this. Alright, first order of business. Find my electric stuff so we can find some butt ends to plug everything together, because like I said, I do want to add a different radio, so I think it's in the toolbox. We're doing the radio first so that way we know if we wired everything right or not. So, this is what, 10 gauge? No. 12? It's gotta be 14, huh? I'm just gonna strip all these off. Organize your shop, pals. Don't do what I'm doing. Honestly, it just causes more stress than it's worth. There we go. That one's done. You want to do one? It's kind of fun. Hot. Don't touch them after this for sure. That was interesting.
Was that your horn?
Yeah. Okay. Do you see any of these connections touching?
What do you mean?
Any of the wires, are they touching each other in the bare spot?
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh, that goes there. Well, sounds like something's working. All right, moment of truth. It's also not grounded, so there you go. Okay. All right. Cool. Now we'll unplug this. All of our harness here. Get this radio cage put in and get the radio installed, and then it's time for speakers. Not bad, huh?
It's great.
Not bad for a guy who doesn't know what the hell he's doing. Let's go tape these up and get the cage installed and get it. I'm gonna get the cage installed for this. Behind one of these, maybe? I need to try and ground it down there. Look at them wire cutters, bro.
Yeah.
I'm cutting these.
He said, fuck those things.
Tired of them, dude. I need to figure out how to ground this. That's really the best spot to do it. screwdriver is the worst screwdriver I ever owned in my life.
Oh, it keeps falling out.
Yeah, I know. That's why it sucks.
Is it Craftsman?
I don't know what the hell it is. It's free. Let me bend this a little bit so it's wider. So we'll go. Oh shit! Said a little bit.
You said the whole fucking thing.
Jesus. Ass ground. I guess that'll work. Alright, now just gonna plug in all this. I don't have the screws for this cage. Alright, well that's all taken care of. Ground's done. Let's see how many screws I actually need. 1, 2. Okay, 4.
That shit working?
Not really.
I probably can't play music though, can you? Because you get copyrighted, huh?
Yeah, dude, it sucks.
It's crazy how like one little thing will make a big ass difference.
Well, I'm tired of having this big ass open hole in here, no radio. Alright, now you gotta do me an important favor. See that piece on my car? Trim piece with the bezel there? With the boot?
Oh, right there?
Right in the center? Will you grab that for me?
I don't know, for some reason my dumb ass almost went and grabbed that huge long thing. I was like, I don't think that's what he was talking about. Oh, look at that. Does that help a little bit? Does that help a little bit?
Yeah, actually. Where's that trim piece? Let's see if we can get it to fit on here. It won't fit, but that's alright. It looks fine without it.
Oh, never know. Yes. God damn, look at that, man.
It looks so much better.
Look at that.
Now we can set our little fancy schmancy air controller right in there.
Oh my god.
I wonder if it'll work. Pause that for a second. Let's get it connected. It works. Can't play the music though. Whoop, whoop. Alright, so now we're going to put rear speakers in because my car does not have rear speakers or a speaker deck, so that kind of sucks. Alright, I'll fit you guys in. Wiring up the rear speakers now. Ended up going a different route with the Pioneers instead of the Kickers. So we're going to get some connections on these because you can't tell the difference, which one's positive, which one's negative. So we're going to wire it up so that we can unplug them if we need. Alright, let's give it a try.
May I, master?
Second one's pretty much done. We're just gonna taper up, but let's test it. Rear speakers are done. You know, let's just put them in. Now we're gonna do the front. So we're gonna take the door panels off, take a look at this, and I have some 6x9 conversion pieces and some deadening stuff. So we're gonna try and do that on these.
Bingo.
Remove the door panel. Yep, that's where the. This had Kenwoods in it.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit, my bad.
Still got the plastic liner and everything.
That's good though. That's a good thing.
Cool. Yeah, they put these in here. Those are good speakers, but they're old.
You could tell, yeah.
So now, I'm not gonna mess around with any sound deadening. Alright, so now I got this adapter from Amazon to fit a bigger speaker in the door. So we're gonna see how good it actually works. It looks like it fits pretty well. So going pretty good, but the bottom two are the problem. I think since the top two are set, we can just kind of pick a place. Just screwed into my leg. Just like that. I think that's all there is to it. These screws will overhang, but I don't think shouldn't get into anything. So, and now we can go ahead and plug in our new speaker. Just like that. Get it mounted, and before I put the panel back on, I'm going to test it. It's always good to test your work. See, the screws interfere. They don't allow me to put it into where it needs to go. So here's what we're going to do. Oh, not that. Don't do that. These are too long.
Those bolts, you can always cut them too. Just chop them off on the back. It's not going to affect anything.
Yeah, but here's what I'm going to do.
I like to use originals.
Yep. I'm just going to get these bolts started. They don't hardly go in deep enough, but. Alright, so the speaker works. Now we're going to put the whole door panel back together. Make sure everything's tight, and then we'll hop on over to the other side. One and done. Now we just have to do the other side. We're doing the driver's side now. Pretty much the same procedure, except I forgot to grab the other speaker, so that's a different screw than the other side. So those two will line up, bottom two still don't line up. Let me just take one of our self-tappers here. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Plug this guy in. Get these started. I'm stupid.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Okay, when you do this, make sure that it's flipped this way.
I was wondering.
Yeah, me too.
I was wondering why the plastic was drilling out.
Alright, well the sound system's done. I mean, for the most part. We've got a couple different things here to finish up, but we will end up doing that at a later date. But yeah, all of it works. I can't really show you. There you go. So that concludes today's Neglect Media banger. This was filmed much later. It took me so much longer than expected to edit this video because I'm lazy. But if you like the content, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. It goes milestones for me. We are halfway to 500 subscribers and you guys are awesome. I appreciate all the support, all the help. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything that might help me become a better editor or better content, please let me know. Criticism helps people grow. So with that being said, like, comment, share the video. That goes miles for me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next Neglect Media banger. Peace.